Welcome to a world where design meets elegance and where every detail speaks of style and sophistication. Today, we're taking a closer look at a stunning ceiling design that transforms an ordinary space into something truly extraordinary. At first glance, this ceiling immediately captures attention with its refined structure and balanced composition. It's not just a surface above your head, it's a statement piece, carefully designed to enhance the overall ambience of the room. The design reflects a perfect blend of modern aesthetics and timeless appeal. Clean lines, symmetrical patterns, and thoughtful detailing create a visual harmony that feels both calming and luxurious. Whether you're standing in the center of the room or observing from a distance, the ceiling draws your eyes upward, inviting you to admire its craftsmanship. One of the most striking features of the ceiling design is its lighting arrangement. Soft, well-placed lights highlight the contours and layers of the design, creating depth and dimension. The glow is neither too harsh nor too dim. It's perfectly balanced to provide both functionality and mood. This type of lighting not only brightens the room, but also adds a warm, welcoming atmosphere that makes the space feel more comfortable and inviting. Another key element is the use of layered structures. Instead of a flat, plain ceiling, this design incorporates multiple levels, giving it a dynamic and architectural feel. These layers add character and make the ceiling visually engaging, turning it into a focal point rather than just a background element. The choice of materials also plays a significant role in the overall look. Whether it's gypsum, wood, or a combination of textures, each element is selected to complement the design while ensuring durability and elegance. The finish is smooth and polished, reflecting a high level of attention to detail. This ceiling design is incredibly versatile. It can fit beautifully into a living room, bedroom, or even a modern office space. Its neutral yet stylish appearance allows it to blend seamlessly with different interior themes, be it minimalistic, contemporary, or even slightly traditional. Beyond its visual appeal, this ceiling also contributes to the functionality of the space. Proper lighting placement ensures that every corner of the room is well lit, while the layered design can help in concealing wiring, fixtures, or even ventilation systems. It's a perfect example of how design can be both beautiful and practical. Imagine walking into a room with this ceiling. The first thing you notice is the elegance above you. It sets the tone for the entire space, making everything else, from furniture to decor, feel more refined and coordinated. For homeowners and interior enthusiasts, this kind of ceiling design offers endless inspiration. It shows how creativity and thoughtful planning can turn even the simplest elements into something extraordinary. It's not just about decoration. It's about creating an experience. In today's world, where interiors are becoming more personalized, ceiling designs like this are gaining popularity. People are no longer satisfied with plain ceilings. They want something that reflects their taste and enhances their living environment. This design achieves exactly that. It's stylish without being overwhelming, modern without losing its charm, and detailed without feeling cluttered. It strikes the perfect balance that many designs often fail to achieve. If you're planning to upgrade your home or simply looking for inspiration, this ceiling design is definitely worth considering. It proves that sometimes the most impactful changes come from the most unexpected places, like the ceiling. In conclusion, this is more than just a ceiling, it's a work of art. It elevates the space, enhances the mood, and leaves a lasting impression on anyone who sees it. Thank you for taking the time to explore this beautiful design. Let it inspire you to look at your own space in a new way and to imagine the possibilities that great design can bring.